In this video, you can see how to certify a document online through gov.gr. The document to be certified should be in PDF form. At first, I enter docs.gov.gr and press the green button to start. Then I select the online service I need. In this case, I need the third option for digital document certification and press the green button to continue. Then I press again the green button to start the authentication process. I can log in with my TaxisNet codes or my e-banking codes of any Greek bank. I will continue with the TaxisNet codes. In this screen, there is an option to change the language from Greek to English, but it's only in this page. All the other pages are in Greek, unfortunately. After I'm logged in with my TaxisNet codes, I see my personal information like my name or TIN number. I have no option to change any of these in this application, just check them and continue. Here I can upload my document to be certified. I click on the link, select my document, that it should be in PDF form, and then there is an option to select the language of the certification text at the end of the document. The first option is Greek and the second is English. I will continue with English and press the green button to continue. I check my personal data, my personal information in Latin letters. Then I select how I will receive a code to confirm the document certification. There are two options, one with gov.gr wallet if you have this on your mobile phone, or by SMS on your mobile phone. I don't have a gov.gr wallet app, so I will continue with SMS on my phone. I press the green button and I enter the code I will receive in my mobile phone. The document is ready and I can save it on my computer or cell phone by pressing the green button at the end of this page. I can see my document at the end with the digital document certification, that it's in English in this case. Please note that you should have declared your mobile phone in National Communication Registry before you use this online service. That's it.